Welcome to the Rodman and Shine show, where today is the day after Valentine's Day, and guess what? Shine got me for a Valentine's Day gift. Yup, it's the Protocol Drone 1. What do you think of that? Is that something? And the label maker, but we're gonna do another. We'll do another one on that one separately. But yeah, and a label maker. So I got two gifts. Ain't that something? Give me some coffee here. U.S. Army. Go Army. Army strong. Ho, ho, ho. Well, let's take a look and see what we have. Shall we? We shall. It's really nice, this box, because you can open this. It has these things here. And isn't that something? Kind of dusty here, but there it is. That's what it looks like. And really looks really neat, man. I don't know if you can see that. It's got a flare, huh? How about that? Let's see. Let's get some of that sunlight out of there. Okay. Oh, you can see me. Hey. But anyway, that's pretty nice. Box there. So let's go ahead. Shed some light on there. So I'm going to use this box. I'm going to use this box for a carry box. Oh, let's get something to cut this with, shall we? And some of the things that it does. Huh? Maneuvers up and down, forward, backward, right, left, side to side, bank turns, four-way 360 flips. I haven't done a 360 flip yet, but my son did one yesterday on his drone. He got a smaller version, a smaller drone. It's the Protocol Air Video Drone XT. I'll be sending that review out. He flew it right away, right out of the box, and that's what I'm gonna do with this one. Yeah, six axis motion sensitive auto stabilizers, control up to 100 feet. 2.4 gig remote. That's normal, average. Crash resistant materials. Sure, until you crash it the first time. But we'll see. It looks kind of sturdy. Video records 40 minutes. 640 by 480, and you can store 5,000 images at 1280 by 960 pixels. And we have a charger for it. And it has 4 A's. I gotta get those. And control range can vary depending on the environmental ranges. And it comes with a 2 gig memory card, which is great because I'm out of cards as we speak. So that's cool. It's got a little drone with camera, remote, charging cord, USB transfer cord, instruction manual, spare parts, blades, blade guards, and screwdriver. So that's cool. It has blade guards and screwdrivers. It's already extra set. As you saw earlier, it already came. It already came with the blade guards already put on. So that's a nice surprise. Chill. What's it look like? Just got to stand up for this part. Oh, I forgot one. Darn it. Darn it. Hot darn it. There we go. I'm probably going to have to move the camera back a bit. Let's take it back a step. There we go. We're getting some forward movement now. Whoa. Maybe I have it upside down. Okay. Put that box to the side. And this is what it looks like. Comes with the extra blades. Oh, I'm dropping everything. All my cameras fell. So, I'm not sure if we can see any of this, so let's move the camera back some. Let's see what you got there. You got the extra blades and the charger and all that good stuff and the extra guards. So that's cool. Let's go and see. Okay, this is the controller. So, well, there's the quad. Very sturdy looking. Very. I love that color, man. It's got a serious color. I like that. Looks like a racing drone. A high-speed racing drone. Well, looks like I got tape here on the side. So it looks like it comes pretty well. There you go. Just folds right out. I like that. I'm gonna keep this. Wow. I guess you gotta move. You have to have two people. You gotta move that sideways and lift this out. Ain't that something? But that's cool. I can live with that. And you got these wires here. I think I'll go ahead and keep these on too. So that, I guess, we'll keep it in there, sturdy. Or, I don't know, maybe not. Okay, fold that puppy back up. And I should be able to move her right out. So now, wow, she feels real light. Real light. What a light quad. Wow. You gotta feel this, Sharon. Very light. So as you see, it's the quad. This is the, see if we can get better light on there. And it's got a shorter antenna. Okay, it doesn't move, so it has to extend out one way. Very good. Okay, we had the right, I believe it's the throttle slip. I'm not sure, but this one's centered, but this one's not. So this must be the up and down. I'm not sure. Oh, this is the speed. So this is your. This must be a mode 1 flying quad because the controls are opposite. So this is forward and backwards. And this is forward and backwards, and this is up and down. We'll find out. Take videos here, pictures here, and I'm not sure what these are. Here's your trims, and we'll check them out. Cool. Very basic. But it feels comfortable. I can get to everything, so I like that. Quad, wow. This is so light. But look at that. Look at those blades. I really like it. I'm not sure if that's a light. I'm not sure what those are. Those are lights. Here's the on and off button. Here's your charging port. I don't know if you can see that. And then this is right here is the battery bay. And battery's stuffed in there right now. And then you just connect those leads and somehow shove it back in there. But it is really a light quad. So yeah, we're gonna fly it. Put some batteries in and we'll fly it and take her for a spin. Not a bad quad. I like it. I like. Okay. See you in a few. You had to screw this to take out the battery back so you can put batteries in it. But, nah, that's just one thing I hate doing. Really. But anyway, I'm sure it still works. It's just a hassle. Anyway, I just wanted to share that.
You beat with a boot. Giant Jurassic with another classic. Busting MOP blowing the horn like we in traffic. Losing the you pursuing. You ain't got enough trying to keep up with what I'm doing. You know I love to set it. Billy and Fame and Kim with us, and I think they starting to get it. I'm about to get it retarded. I can blow the horn so loud when I blow the heckle. I'm putting one in your forehead. I'm meaning one in your forehead. Point blank, bottom line translation really mean you